Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Remitly to GCash step by step. It's actually quite simple, so let's dive in. First off, go ahead and log into your Remitly account. And then on the homepage, you want to choose an country and make sure this is set to sending to the Philippines because this is where mostly GCash is being used. Once done, just go ahead and click send money. And then on the next page, oh, as you can see, I was actually sending, but let me start over just to show you. There we go. Now, from here, you can choose a recipient or add a new recipient. Now, to show you, let me just go ahead and choose a new one. And then from here, you want to choose the amount you'll be sending. For example, 500. All right, there we go. And then on the delivery method, this is where you'll choose GCash. Now, the second option, mobile money, this is where GCash is available. So let's choose GCash. And then your payment method, it could be debit, credit, or pay to. So let's choose a credit card. And from here, you want to check the fees applicable to this transaction. Once you're fine with this, go ahead and click continue. Then on the next page, let's wait for this to load. You're going to type in the name of the recipient. So for example, all right, click continue, and then the number. All right. Oh, by the way, this is the recipient's phone number. All right, so keep that in mind. Once done, click continue again. It'll ask if you want them to set, just text your recipient with transfer update. So you can choose yes or no. Then on the next page, you want to confirm your payment method. Click continue. And then on this page, just simply type in your card number. After that, review the details and the transaction will be completed. That's it. Now you know how to send money from Remitly to GCash in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.